guys are doing great today. I'm so glad and very excited that we were given a chance to discuss or share and discuss the important role of RADTECH in the community and healthcare and what radiologic technologies can do. Now, before we proceed, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Lucel Aina Luzada, a second-year RADTECH student from Colegio de Santa Catalina de Alejandria. The content of this vlog is a compilation of videos shared by my classmates of how or what is the important role of RADTECH in a medical field. Well, actually, only a few knows that this course exists, and maybe some are still confused what RADTECH is capable of. Well, I hope through this video, your questions will be answered and this course will be recognized more. Okay, so what are the usual assumptions or misconceptions if you are a radiologic technologist? Well, actually, they say that radiologic technologists can only do x-ray procedures and can read x-ray results. But however, that's not true, because not only x-ray procedures, we can also conduct MRI and CT scan procedures.
The primary responsibility of many technologists is to create images of patients' bodies using medical equipment. This helps doctors diagnose and treat diseases and injuries depending on your specialty. You might use X-ray, MRI, computed tomography, fluoroscopy, or sonography equipment.
In regards about reading results, only radiologist, a medical doctor that is specially trained in reading and understanding imaging scans results like x-rays are capable of doing that. Well, actually, we have a very important role in medical field. It is because through radiologic imaging procedures, this is one of the first steps of identifying and diagnosing and treating many diseases.
Radiologic Technologist 1. What is radiologic technologist? Radiologic technologists are the healthcare professionals who perform diagnostic imaging procedures such as X-ray examinations, magnetic resonance imaging or MRI scans, and computed tomography or CT scan. The primary role of radiologic technologists is using medical imaging equipment to produce images of the bones, tissues, muscles, organs, and vessels for diagnostic and therapeutic purposes. The important role of RADTECH in community and healthcare. Radiologic technologists play an important role in community and healthcare as a whole by giving physicians more options, tools, and techniques for treatment. But without the role of the RADTECHs who are trained to perform it, many illnesses and injuries would be much more difficult to diagnose and to treat. With everything that has happened last year and this year, radiologic technologist has an important role in the community because RTs spend a lot of time taking images of patients' broken bones, masses, or tumors, and now even more so with COVID-19. They have been inundated with patients needing images of their lungs, since COVID-19 is a respiratory virus that is particularly damaging to the lungs of many patients. Thanks to advancements within the field of diagnostic imaging and to the knowledge and training of radiologic technologists, the diagnosis is made much easier and much less invasive.
So, the important role of RADTECH in community and healthcare. Radiologic technologists are the healthcare professionals who perform diagnostic imaging procedures such as X-ray, MRI, or CT scan. Some of them specialize in specific techniques such as cardiovascular interventional radiography, mammography, and sonography. Medical imaging is an extremely important element in medical practice in this day and age. Medical imaging also is used by surgeons as an aid in surgical procedures. Radiologic technologists, medical imaging, and radiation therapy professionals play a vital role in patient care and healthcare safety, primarily responsible for capturing diagnostic images. These healthcare provide radiologists, primary care physicians, and various other specialists with critical information they need to treat and diagnose patients. Medical imaging is a truly vital element of the healthcare world, an essential tool for physicians to assist with diagnostics, treatment, and prevention. As technology continues to advance at a rapid rate, we will see a growth in medical imaging technology as well. With scientific advancement and continued effective use, medical imaging will continue to help with earlier detection of health issues, aid in easier treatment, and provide increased preventive care. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ola Maria, a RADTECH student of Colegio de Santa Catalina de Alejandria. So today, we are going to talk about the role of RADTECH in the community and in healthcare. So first, I will discuss briefly about radiologic technologists or RADTECH. So basically, radio technologists, also known as X-ray technologists, are the ones that perform diagnostic imaging examinations and perform radiation therapy treatments. So, what is the role of radiologic technologists or RADTECH in the community and in healthcare? The role of radiologic technologists or RADTECH are responsible for accurately positioning patients and ensuring that a quality diagnostic image is produced. Radiologist's role is central to disease management, with a wide choice of tools and techniques available for detection, staging, and treatment. Radiologic technologists does not only perform diagnostic imaging but also taking good care of the patients, just like assisting them, answering their questions, and comforting them so that they will stay calm throughout the examinations. RADTECH helps physicians diagnose patients' ailments and determine the best course of actions for treatment.
Hello everyone, I want to share my topic with regards on RADTECH, and I want to share my thoughts with regards on how we deal RADTECH, on how we care on how they care the community and hospitals. Important role of RADTECH in a community and healthcare. How does radiologic technology help the community? What contribution does RADTECH in a community and healthcare? What makes a good RADTECH? Radiology is now the key diagnostic tool for many diseases and has an important role in monitoring treatment and predicting outcome. Radiologic technologies are responsible for accurately positioning patients and ensuring that a quality diagnostic image is produced. There is a big impact to our health facilities and hospitals that plays a crucial role in patient care and healthcare community as a whole. To begin with, RADTECH is one of the healthcare workers through maintaining and operating imaging equipment and preparing patient for imaging procedures, as well as following the precise instructions about the areas needing imaging to yield a quality image. In addition, most of healthcare workers are assigned to provide our care, especially to the patient, and it operates the computerized equipment to capture images. However, there's a huge role in disease management by giving physicians more options, tools, and techniques must be highly ethical and be interested. In conclusion, RADTECH has a huge help or impact with the patient. It takes responsibilities and shows initiative and needs for the patient, for their care, and shows initiative and an active listeners, as what I said before, make them, and it one of their responsible for their patient that may feel like a comfortable with regards with their health condition, and it requires willingness to properly position for the patient optional medical treatment and their safety, and it must be a diligent as an RADTECH or a healthcare worker. That's all, and thank you.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. My name is Nice Jewel Elimbilino, a RADTECH student from Colegio de Santa Catalina de Alejandria or COSCA. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the important role of RADTECH in our community and healthcare. Without further ado, let's get it started. Hi bestie! Are you busy? I wanted to talk about something and ask for your advice. Hello, bestie. No, I'm just chilling here. What do you want to talk about? Is this about your love life? How I wish this is about my love life, but I just want to ask your advice. What will I be taking up in college? I'm very undecided at this moment. I just want medical course, bestie. I want to work in the hospital and help other people. Wow, bestie, that's interesting. Just follow your heart and dream. You can study medtech, nursing, pharmacist, or RADTECH. What's RADTECH? Is that related to broadcasting? No, bestie, you're so funny. Radiologist or RADTECH is the one who works in the hospital that operates medical imaging equipment such as X-ray, CT scan, MRIs, sonogram machines, and 3D medical imaging programs, among other computer and web-based software programs. Wow, bestie, that sounds good now. I'm interested in RADTECH. Tell me more about the course. Radiology technologist is a vital part of any medical team providing non-invasive imaging work that helps medical professionals diagnose disease and injuries. Finally, since imaging technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, radiology technologists are the focal points of change. I'm really interested in enrolling RADTECH. I know it will be hard, but I love it. I love what they do and it's very inspiring. Go, bestie, good luck, and I'm rooting for you. I know you can do it. So, what's really the important role of radiologic technology in our community and healthcare? Radiology plays a huge role in healthcare. It gives physicians more options, tools, and techniques for detection and treatment. Diagnostic imaging allows for detailed information about structural or disease-related changes. With the ability to diagnose during the early stages, patients may be saved. If you are still watching, thank you, and I hope this video helps you understand the important role of radiologic technology in our community and healthcare. Bye!
Geography plays a crucial role in healthcare, particularly in diagnosis of injuries and conditions that the result will influence the treatment of the patient. It's vital that these tests are performed, interpreted, and reported accurately.
Last year, our community starts to change, and we all know it's because of COVID-19. As COVID-19 continued to spread in communities throughout the country, for me, radiologic technologies have a big role to provide high-quality care for patients affected by this disease. By working tirelessly in clinics to care for the sick and injured, radiologic imaging technologies had an important role in the front lines of the battle.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any question, just comment down below. And keep safe, everyone. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.